Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another love bite for you. Scorpio, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Scorpio, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Scorpio, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Scorpio, Four of Wands, Temperance and the World. Death in reverse. Hierophant, center of my spread with the Ace of Cups. What's going on here? With the Wheel of Fortune, Ten of Wands and the Five of Cups in reverse. Beautiful. Time for healing, Scorpio. Three of Swords in reverse. Letting go of all past pain. So from what I see, there is a beautiful Four of Wands here. Somebody is healing themselves big time, maybe starting a brand new chapter in their life. There's a bit of fear of letting go of the past, I would feel, but totally committed. This could be self-love, I don't know. Or there's somebody here who has commitment and love for you, wanting now things to begin again with the two of you, wanting you to drop that past baggage or past hurt, heal, and no longer want to have regrets or sorrow for the past pain that has been caused. Okay, so I think somebody wants to bring things back together and start anew. They don't want things to end. So what I'm going to do here, Scorpio, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards between the two of you. See if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll go on with the rest of the reading. So Scorpio and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? And oops, and if any of you want a personal reading, Scorpio, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So Scorpio and their person spirit, they could say something to each other now. Scorpio and their person. Scorpio and their person. Thank you. And I'm going to take a few from here, Scorpio. Scorpio and their person. Okay. All right, Scorpio, let's begin your reading. The first one says, the ball is in your court now, as I've done everything I can to get this connection to move along. We're at a standstill now, until you come forward with your feelings and put the wheels in motion. Yep, there's a big Wheel of Fortune here. We're getting older and wasting precious time playing these dumb-ass runner-chaser games. Let's just level the fuck up already. Are we doing this or what? So I think somebody wants the other person to forget about whatever happened in the past and wants to commit again. But they're not sure, I think, of whether the other person wants to go back to them. I think of you before I sleep, I dream of you all night, and I wake up to think of you again. I showed you how much I loved you through our kisses. They say if you want to know if someone loves you, it's in their kiss. Darling, my love for you was in my kiss. I can't ever kiss another like that, and the thought of you kissing someone else breaks my heart. I'm so proud of you, my love. You inspire me to be a better person. I'm working on myself, and I hope that I can inspire you too. I would like you to meet my friends. I want you to be involved in all areas of my life because you are my world and I want everyone to know. With just one text, one call, one look, one smile, you make my day. You're the most important person in my life and it doesn't matter where I am. I'm always thinking of you day and night. Wow, this is getting a little mushy, Scorpio. This situation is messy. I think the situation is messy because there's some past pain which has to be dealt with before a renewal can take place. You're all I desire. Alright, Scorpio, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you. A blessing, guidance, advice, generosity. Okay, so Scorpio, generosity is a card of you being maybe a little more compassionate and generous, or sometimes it's also about being generous to yourself. Everybody wants a part of you because, the other person does something for them. But what about you? It's time to think of what makes you happy before, you give away all your generosity and compassion and love to another. And somewhere in the mix, you lose yourself. So my angels are urging you to be first generous with yourself. See what makes you happy. Alright, so Scorpio. Four of Wands spirit. What's this Four of Wands with the Temperance card? Somebody wants to bring back that structure, that happiness, that forever, heal the situation. Maybe it broke down in the past. Yes, something didn't work out, right? Something didn't work out in the past, but somebody really wants to bring back some kind of balance and healing to this connection again. Temperance. Yes, they feel they've lost the love of the most important person in their life. They feel the person is no longer ready to offer them any love. Queen of Cups in reverse. And they want to heal whatever was broken and bring it back if possible. Too many cards. One more spirit for the Temperance card. Maybe somebody had a lot of options in the past. Yes, I think somebody this was maybe a very beautiful, structured, happy, committed relationship. But maybe a third party or something didn't work out here, which drained this Queen of Cups out completely. This Queen of Cups could be in healing mode right now, because in the past, maybe they were considered just an option, or there was too much confusion. This situation was messy, and it came to a stop. This Wheel of Fortune turned upside down and things got stuck here. I have somebody who's healing from that. The World spirit. The World. Yeah, somebody now. The King of Cups is here, Scorpio. This is the King of Cups to the Queen of Cups. So this King of Cups, I think, messed up in the past. And the Queen of Cups got totally drained out. Maybe this King of Cups had a lot of options. Something didn't work out between the two of you. This person now wants to offer a cup of love. They want to start anew with the World card. They want to start a brand new chapter after maybe it's come to an ending. They know that this is it's a difficult task, because this Queen has this feminine energy has really glowed up. They are independent, they are shining, they are, they don't need anyone, they're looking gorgeous with the Queen of Wands energy. So they are not very sure whether they can heal the situation between the two of you now. Death in reverse, spirit. Death in reverse. Yes, this person now this King of Cups now doesn't want this connection to end. In fact, they want to start again. Maybe they even want to commit to this Queen of Wands now. They want to offer love. They want to show up as the Emperor, as somebody who will now want to take charge and be the right person for them. Hierophant spirit, yes, they love their person so much. They feel this is my equal counterpart. I want to commit to this person, maybe again, after something has broken down in the past. But this person really wants to show up now proper, as somebody who's going to be doing the right thing. Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups. They're a little embarrassed, a little ashamed maybe of their behavior or what they've done in the past. I think this King of Cups or Emperor or whoever this masculine energy is, they have been very depressed ever since this connection broke down. They're not sure whether their apology will even be accepted now, or whether this Queen of Wands, who's glowing and looking great and independent, is even going to accept their commitment or an offer of commitment once again with them. They do want to offer this cup of love though. The Wheel of Fortune. Yes, they are seeing this Queen of Wands move on, having fortune and luck favor them now, seeing them happy and independent, like I said, and a lot of good things may be happening for this Queen of Cups now that this Queen of Cups has healed from their past pain. So all they're doing right now, this King of Cups, all this masculine energy is doing is watching them. They're watching the success maybe of their person, and maybe that's why they're worried that maybe now their apology or their commitment offer or something will no longer be accepted. They still have a lot of passion. They still have a lot of passion for, maybe they're even watching to see if there is any other passionate connection that this queen has gotten into. So they're trying to kind of keep a watch, gather information, because on their own they don't have the courage to. They fear that they'll be rejected, they fear they'll be left behind, they fear a new suitor may catch the attention of this Queen of Wands, and they are feeling rather weak even thinking about this. Very, very depressed. Ten of Wands, Spirit, in reverse. Ten of Wands in reverse. Ten of Wands in reverse is clarified by the Ten of Wands from another deck. This is how much this person wishes to, that both of you should just kind of drop whatever was burdening. They wish that they could erase the past, erase all the sadness, all the bad memories, everything that was done in the past. Just drop it, and can we start again? So, Ten of Wands, Spirit, can you please give me another one? Ten of Wands. Ten of Wands. This person is feeling that my person, the Queen of Cups, is now graduated to being the Empress. This is a person who doesn't need anyone anymore. This is a queen above all queens. This is the person that they want, but they're also a little fearful because they feel that this Empress is no longer giving them any attention. They've kind of blocked them off. They don't need me anymore. And somewhere deep in their heart, they have a fear that this Empress will never allow them back in their heart. They have these swords, covering their chest. And this Empress, they feel, is doing very well on their own. As much as they're wishing that they can kind of end the bad memories, they're also a little afraid that this Empress is going to drop them now. Five of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Five of Cups in reverse. Somebody wants to return big time, big time. They're in their head. They want to come back. They don't want to live the rest of their life having sleepless nights, being depressed, being sad. They just want to come out of this place where they don't have to spend one more day looking back at the past and feel, oh, I messed up so bad. They want their soulmate back. So, Three of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Why was this the overall energy? Three of Swords in reverse. Three of Swords in reverse. Yes, they want to erase all the memories of the fighting, the conflict, the holding back. And they want the Ten of Pentacles. They want to hold on. They want to get rid of all the past conflicts that have happened between the two of you, Scorpio. All they want to hold on to is their soulmate, because they can envision a Ten of Pentacles with them, a happily ever after. So somebody here is desperately wanting to heal the past. But the problem here is that this Queen of Cups, who was very disappointed in the past, got drained out, has now worked their way up by themselves to become a Queen of Wands, and not just the Queen of Wands, showing up as the Empress now. So that's all I have for you, Scorpio. I don't know which side you're on, you would know. But in the next read, we'll go a little deeper. We'll check how you both are really feeling about each other and what we can expect. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.